Want to keep up with YouTube without checking every channel? Here's how you can create a YouTube RSS feed in under a minute. No coding needed. First, open the YouTube channel, playlist, or search results you want to follow, and copy the link. Head to RSS.app, paste the link into the generator, and click Generate. Your feed appears instantly. Just hit Save to My Feeds to add it to your account. You can even combine multiple feeds into a bundle to track several channels or playlists in one place. Next, personalize your feed with filters. Include or exclude videos by keyword, hide videos older than a week, or even modify text with advanced rules. You can even toggle on approval mode to review which videos should be included in your feed. Each new upload is added to a queue, and you decide which ones to publish with a single click. Want to share your feed? Try our pre-built widgets, like a news wall or carousel. They update automatically, and you can embed them anywhere. Just copy the code and paste it into your website or app. You can also automatically forward new videos straight to Discord, Telegram, Slack, or email. And if you love automations, connect your feed as an XML link to make.com, N8N, or Zapier to power your workflows. That's it. Create your YouTube RSS feed with RSS app today.